Hello everyone, let's talk about the Instagram AI sticker, what it is, how to use it, and then we will look at 5 fun ideas using the AI sticker for your account. Usually I would show you some sneak peek of those ideas so you can see what we're going to create, but not this time because I had a lot of fun creating some of these ideas, so I just want you to have a little surprise and see if you'd like to try it for your account. So first, what is this AI sticker feature? So it's a feature in your Instagram story. So let's open our Instagram app, go to the story and just upload your photo or video. I'm just going to use this and go to your stickers and you will see you've got the AI sticker option here. So what does it do? Basically, all you have to do is write exactly what you have in your mind in that search bar here. And the AI, the artificial intelligence, will create images for you based on what you wrote. So you can type something that is very short, like a purple flower, a tree, a car, a motorbike, anything you want. Or you can write something very, very descriptive. So for example, I could write a unicorn working on a laptop floating in the ocean during a sunset, and then tap generate and there you go. If you want to see more, you can tap on 4 more and it will generate 4 more, and so on until you find the image that you like. It's not always round, you'll see sometimes it's square or any other shape. You can go even deeper, like if you want your unicorn to have red hair, you can put unicorn with red hair working on a laptop, search again, and boom, you'll get unicorns with red hair. Another cool thing is you can also train the AI to let it know what you like or don't like. So if there is a result that is completely off, you can let it know. So just hold your finger pressed on a sticker and you can tell it if it was a good result or a bad result. So it will know what to show you and what not to show you. And if it's something very suspicious, just report it. All right, now the question is, how can you use it for your account? So let's look at 5 ideas together and I will share my favorite for last. And with this sort of features, just try to think about how you can use it for your account. Some ideas might not fit for you and that's completely fine, but try to just stay open to it. So idea number 1 is to give people a sneak peek of something you are about to announce, or if you have a business, something you're about to launch. So instead of showing a photo or a video of something, you can actually make it into an AI sticker, because AI stickers, they're a bit more abstract, so it can be super fun for people to try to guess from an image what you have in your mind, you know? So imagine you have a jewelry business and you're about to launch gold necklaces with star pendants. So you literally write, for example, I wrote woman with black hair wearing a gold necklace with star pendants. And it comes up with stuff like this. Or if you're about to launch earrings with flowers, then you can share stickers like this. And you can be as specific as you want, you know, in your search bar. You can tell it exactly the colors you want, the shape, the size, etc. Or if you are a painter, so I already pre-made these. So if you are a painter and you're about to reveal a new painting, let's say a painting of the ocean with a pink sunset, you can literally write painting of the ocean with a pink sunset, and it will come up with things like this. And then people will be like, ooh, I can't wait to see what the real painting is gonna look like. You're giving them like a little sneak peek, you know? All right, so idea number 2 is a bit related to idea number 1, because it could be a guessing game. People love playing games and it's so fun just to interact with you, you know? So you can create a sticker and then you add a question box and you ask people to guess what that sticker could be. So for example, once again, let's say that you have a jewelry business, you could create a sticker that reflects what your new collection looks like. So let's say your new collection has to do with gold and flowers, or even gold rings with flowers, then that's what you could create. So see how it's kind of abstract, so people still have to guess. Like they can see there's a ring, some sort of ring. So could it be an earring? Could it be an actual ring? Where would the flower be? They see that it's gold. So that could be super fun for people to try to guess what you're coming up with, what you've created. So idea number 3 is to use this feature to create yourself as a sticker and share your mood of the day. So for example, let's say I woke up grumpy. I wrote grumpy woman with long brown hair, and this is what I got. And then you can even create like a before and after of your mood, like before drinking something. So for example, before drinking, this was me, and after, this was me. So you can have fun and create your different moods throughout the day. All right, just 2 more ideas. Idea number 4 is to create a dream. It can be a dream world, a dream product, a dream house, a dream outfit, a dream dog, a dream, anything you can think of. You can even create a new fruit or a new animal even, like a panda fish, and see what the AI comes up with. Just have fun with it. So for example, here I created 2 dream houses. One, I wrote a wooden house next to a river in a flower field with a forest in the background, a woman lying down in the grass with her white dog. And this is what it came up with. And then for this one, I wrote mansion floating on a deck surrounded by palm trees and turquoise water. And then you can have fun and ask people which one would you pick, and you can even put the voting sticker so that people can vote which one their favorite is. All right, now this is the last idea and probably my favorite one. I'm just going to hide it for now, okay? So what you can do is create a cartoon. So hear me out and I'll show you the example after. So it can be a cartoon of your life story, your day, or your love story if you are in a relationship with someone, or even your dog or your cat. It can be an imaginary world, or even a world with new superheroes that you can think of, or if you have a business, it can be your business story, and you can even create children's stories, or even motivational stories, inspirational stories. People love to consume this type of content and to share it as well. So if you have some amazing ideas, just try to create stories, create a cartoon. It can be very fun. So I wanted to make a cartoon to show you as an example. Please don't judge, don't laugh. The only thing that was on my mind at that moment was a turtle. Don't ask, just don't ask. Just always remember, try to think about how you can use this idea for your account. It doesn't have to be a turtle, it can be something serious, professional, but here we go with turtles. So with that being said, here is my masterpiece. You can pause and enjoy the story if you want, but you can post that in your stories, or you can even create a reels. For example, your reels could be you show this one first, then the next clip is the next one, and then the next clip is this one, so it turns into a video. Or you can have it that this one is big at the center, and then the next clip is the next image in big, so people watch it as a video like that. Or you can turn it into a carousel post. So what you would do is just save each image on its own. Like for example, if it's a carousel, you can have the first images in the middle like this, then you save it to your camera roll, then you create the second image, save it, and then you can post it as a carousel, for example. And you can always use your preview app, so you can plan your post, you can plan as many posts as you want, your reels, your carousels, and all of that, and you can prepare your caption, find caption ideas, find hashtags and SEO keywords too, schedule if you want to, you can auto post as well, and all of that. So there you go. You've got ideas on how to use that AI sticker for your account, and also there are 5 more ideas on our blog if you'd like to check it out. I will leave the link below, Or if you are on our blog post right now, you just scroll a little bit more and you will see the other ideas. And that's it. Have fun playing with the stickers. And if you make a cartoon, please tag us in your story or in your post so that we can see it. And otherwise, we will see you in the next video. Bye!